In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream movies on Discord. First, open Discord on your computer. The desktop app is the most reliable for smooth video and audio, though the browser version can work too. Make sure the app is updated so you don't run into compatibility issues while streaming. Next, navigate to the server where you want to host your watch party. Pick a server that you and your friends share, and make sure you have permission to connect to voice channels. If you're unsure, check with a moderator or choose a channel that's open to everyone. Join a voice channel in that server. As soon as you connect, you'll see your voice controls and a few icons at the bottom of the window. This is where you'll start the stream and manage your mic. It's a good idea to mute yourself during the movie and unmute for discussions so everyone can hear the audio clearly. Before you share your screen, open the movie in your preferred app or browser tab and get it ready to play. Having it open and visible makes it easier to select the correct window in the next step. Now click the Share Your Screen button in Discord. You'll see options to stream your entire screen, a specific application window, or an individual browser tab. Choose the window or tab that contains your movie. If you want to avoid notifications or desktop pop-ups appearing on stream, selecting the specific app or tab is best. Make sure to enable sound so viewers can hear the movie. If you see options for resolution and frame rate, the default settings are fine for most films. Higher resolutions and frame rates may require a paid plan, so don't worry if those options are limited. Confirm your selection to go live. Viewers in the voice channel can click your stream to watch. Put your movie into full screen for the cleanest viewing experience and keep your system volume at a comfortable, consistent level. If captions are available, turning them on can help keep everyone in sync. If the video is black or the audio doesn't come through, try switching to streaming the app window rather than the entire screen, and grant any permissions Discord requests to capture your screen and sound. Updating your graphics driver or restarting the app can also help. When you're done, click Stop Streaming. Be mindful of community rules and only share content you're allowed to stream. Enjoy your movie night.